Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about getting your software all set up for your Arduino class. And this means we're going to install two different items. We're going to install the Arduino IDE as well as the drivers you need to connect your Arduino to your computer. So the first step is you can see two links in the description. Click on the first one, the arduino.cc/en/software. And here we're going to click on this first download. So we can see Windows for Windows 7 and newer. If you are using a school laptop, use the second link, but otherwise click on the first one. So when we click on that, it'll ask us if we can contribute and download. You can just press download. If you use it a lot, it would be nice to contribute, but for right now, we're just going to press download. And as we can see in the bottom here, our installer is downloading the Arduino. And once that download finishes, we can just click on the download and that'll pull up our Windows Arduino installer. So it blocks this, but for me it shows a page of do you want to install Arduino? You just select yes. From here it'll bring a new window called the Arduino Setup, License and Agreement. We can just select I agree. And then all these menus are fine. So we just want to hit next and install. And from here we can see we're extracting all these different files and installing Arduino on our computer. And just as a heads up, the screen you see here is sped up times 10. So it should take a lot longer on your computers. Awesome. And this whole process took about 3 minutes, and once you see it's completed, you can just hit close. For us Windows users, you can just click on the bottom window, and if you type in Arduino, you should see this little figure 8 sign and be able to open it up. But that is just the first part of the installation. What we also need to do is install the driver. And so there's a second link in the description, scillalabs.com/developer/USB to UART bridge VCP drivers. And here, what we want to do is we want to click on our CP210X Windows driver. So this is going to be the fourth one. And once we click on that, we can see another zip file gets installed. This one's not an installer, so we have to click on this, hit extract all here. And once we extract it, then we can actually open up our installer. So it'll pull up a new window, and we can click on this CP210X VCP installer, give that a double click. Once again, it'll ask you, do you want to install this? And then just follow the accepts to install. So I accept this agreement, go ahead and go to next, and now it should install those drivers, and these drivers don't take any time to finish. From there, we can actually open up our Arduino just by typing that app in, double clicking it, and we can see this lovely page show up that shows us Arduino's working and everything is good to go. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to the link in the description and have a wonderful day.